Hello, Heartfelt families. Welcome and thank you for joining me. Today we're going to do springtime yoga together. So grab a mat and an open space on the floor, and let's begin. All right, so we're gonna start standing up with our feet firmly planted on the ground. And our first pose is a rising sun. So you're going to take your arms and breathe in, go all the way up. Like so. Next, we're going to move our bodies like a tree. So try and shift your weight onto one foot and bring your other up to your knee. If that's too difficult, you can also put your foot just right on top of the other foot like this. Find your balance. Take a deep breath in, out. We're going to slowly shift our bodies forward. Next, we're going to be like a bird. So putting your hands out, your arms out like this, bending at the waist forward. And if you can, I'll turn sideways so you can see. If you can, try and lift one leg up into the air. This. If not, it's okay. You can just bend forward like this with your arms out like a bird. Breathe in and out. When as you're breathing out, you're going to fold all the way forward, and you're going to put your hands on the floor or on your mat like falling rain, and you can go onto your toes too, like falling rain. And next we're going to straighten up again, and you're going to spread your legs wide out while you're standing like this. Put your hands together right in front of your chest, and you're going to bend down slowly like this, and you're going to plant the seeds in your garden. Springtime is the time when we plant seeds to grow. So we have vegetables and food and beautiful flowers in the summertime. And now you're going to put your hands down, come onto your knees, and I'll go sideways again so you can see. This one's called a caterpillar pose. Now, caterpillars you might find in your garden or outside. So you're going to put your hands back, and you're going to lift your head up like this, like a caterpillar, looking around and back down. Next, we're going to be another friendly bug that you might find in the garden or on a flower. This is the bee pose. So you're going to sit with just on your knees with your hands resting on your knees like so. And we're going to take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you breathe out, you're going to hum like a bee. So and feel the buzzing like a bee in your throat and in your mouth. Next, another friendly bug called the butterfly. So we started with caterpillars, and caterpillars eventually will turn into butterflies. So you're going to put the bottoms of your feet together, your knees out, and flap your wings like a butterfly. Take a deep breath in and out. Now, butterflies and bees love flowers because they drink the nectar from the flowers. So next we're going to be a flower blooming. So you're going to keep your hands on your feet just like you did for your butterfly pose. You're going to hold on to your big toe as tight as you can. And we're going to bloom like a flower with one leg. Try and straighten it out. And back down. Now the other leg, bloom like a flower. Like the petals opening up. And back down. And if you really want to do something a little trickier, try doing both legs at the same time. And back down. And last of all, we're gonna do, this is one of my favorite things to do in my yard or in the park, just relaxing and watching the clouds go by and feeling the sunshine. So lay down on your back with your hands just a little bit out from you. You can put them out or on your belly. Close your eyes, and we're gonna take 3 big breaths to finish. So deep breath in through your nose and out. Deep breath in, out. Last one, deep breath in and out. And you can slowly sit up, cross your legs, hands on your knees, and that concludes our spring yoga practice. Thank you so much for sharing this with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.